How to close trade in MT4 mobile is pretty easy, and there are several steps that you need to take to close the trade that is currently open in MT4 on your smartphone. Here it is as MT4 currently open with a USD Japanese yen, and you need to position yourself to the trade tab. That one is in the middle below, and when you click you will have a list of the open trades currently here. Currently I do not have any trade open, but I will open 2 trades just for an example. Okay, and another one. Okay, now I have 2 trades open. So if I want to close any of these trades, I need to click on one of them, for example first one, and hold the button, and the new menu will appear. In the new menu appear, I need to select close order to close this order. And then you will see that you have currently here below a button close with the profit, which is currently $1.47 US. When I click on that button, I will get confirmation that the order is closed. And then in the trade tab, I will have only one trade open. If I want to close this one, again, click on it, hold the button and select close order. Below is close with a loss, and order is closed. Now I do not have any of orders open here in the trade tab. This is pretty and straightforward step to close the trade on the MT4 mobile. Now I will show you how to close the order in MT5 mobile on your smartphone. Okay, here it is MT5 mobile. There is a small difference between MT4 and MT5 mobile versions, and what you can see here, below you have a trade tab, and it has written trade for easier understanding which of these symbols represents what. So in the trade tab, I have €1 USD sell order, which I can simply close as in MT4 mobile version. Simply click on the trade, hold it, and select close position. What is different between MT4 and MT5? In the MT4 you have close order, and in MT5 you have close position. So it represents same thing. I will click close position. Now I will get the same new window where I need to click close with loss. If there is a profit, it will show me here close with the profit. But now I will click close with the loss and it's done. There are no more open trades here in MT5 mobile version in the trade tab. So as you can see, it is pretty easy to close order in MT4 or in MT5. But there are other options you can use in trading when you want to close the trade. And I will now show you which options you have. I will go to MT4. In the next example, I will show you how you can close one trade with another one. And that means if you have 2 trades open, and here is an example. I will open one buy order with one lot. Done. Okay. And now I will open a second order, but it will be a sell order with also one lot. Now you can see I have 2 orders open, and if you want to close this order, for example a sell order, with a buy order, you can do that with a one click, and that means you do not need to repeat the same process 2 times. For example, holding the button here on the USD Japanese sell order and close order, and after that use close order on the buy order. You can simply click on the sell order and select second option, not close order but close buy, which means you can close sell order by using another order which is currently open. For example, I want to close order this one, which is a sell with a one lot. And here I have an option that I can close this sell order with another order, which is currently only a buy order, which is also one lot. So if I click on this button that is telling me close by 914034994, which is the buy order. You can see it here, 914034994. I will close both orders with a one lot. Check it here. Now you can see confirmation that one order, sell order, is closed with a buy order. You can see that I have closed both orders at the same time. I have used a buy order to close the sell order. And the thing is, this will work if the both orders are with the same lot size. In my case, both orders were with one lot, which means one sell lot has been cancelled, closed by, with one lot of buy order. It's pretty easy to understand this, and I will show you what happens if I have two orders, sell order and buy order, but with a different lot size. I will open one order, which is 1.5 lots. For example, let's use buy order. Order is open. And now I will open second order, which will be a sell order, but with one lot. Now you can see I have two orders. First one is buy. Oh, sorry. I will close this one. Close order. Okay, done. And sell. Done. Now you can see I have two orders. Sell order is with one lot and the buy order is 1.5 lots. So if I want to close this sell order by using close by, I simply click the close by order, and in this menu I will have this option: close sell order with a one lot with buy 1.5 lots. When I click this button, I will close buy order with one lot, but there will be remaining 0.5 lots. Let's check this. It's done. Now check it here. I have partially closed the buy order with a one lot of the sell order. So this is the case when you have two orders which are not with the same lot size, and when you click close by order, you will close orders with the same lot size. Now there is another option which you can use to close several orders. For example, if you have 5 or 6 orders at the same time, you can close them all, but the rule stays the same. If you have a buy order which is 0.5 lots, and for example you have 5 sell orders which are smaller, which are 0.1 lots. Let me open them. Wait a second. So this is the second. And the last one, the fifth one. Now you can see this. As in the previous example, I have shown you that you can close both orders if they are with the same lot size. But that is a close by, which selects only one order that has the opposite direction. For example, we had a sell order which we have closed with the buy order with the same lot size. And now I have one buy order with 5 opposite orders which are sell orders. So if I want to close this buy order with 5 of these, there is another option that you can use, and that is when you click on this order, you can use close by, and then you can select between these 5 sell orders which one you want to use to close the buy order. If you select only one, which is possible to select only one if you use close by command, you will close only 0.1 lot of this 0.5. So if I select this button, I will close only 0.1 and there will be remaining 0.4. Let's check this. Done. Now you can see I have a buy 0.4 and there is remaining 4 sell orders with 0.1 lot. Now use another option, and that is again close by, and here it is another command, multiple close. Now you can see that in this column I have buy 0.4 lots, which is listed here. So if I click the close button, the MT4 mobile will sum up all these orders, which are sell 0.4 and there is a buy 0.4. So when we sum these two orders, there will be 0. So this means with this multiple close by, I will close all orders that are listed here. If there is a lot size, if there is the same lot size of the buy orders and the sell orders, they will close all. But if there is one of these buy or sell orders that have higher lot size, there will be remaining lot size and order still open, as I have shown you in the example before, where I have closed one sell 0.1 with the buy 0.5. This is the difference. Now in this case, when I click the close button, all orders will close. Multiple close by USD Japanese yen, and now you can see there is no open orders. Multiple close by or command is the way how you can close all orders that are currently open in MT4 mobile. This is the fastest way that you can close or cancel all orders that you currently have open. So there is no another way, for example Expert Advisor or script that you can use on a mobile platform to close all orders at the same time. And there is another one option, and that is how to close half of the position that you currently have open. Let's open a one trade. For example, let's see, it is 0.5 and buy order. Now this order is open, and if you want to close this buy order partially and for half position, you need to go and close the position, hold the button and select close order. And in here you have this buy 0.5 USD Japanese yen, but also with this button close with a loss or profit. Now to change this buy 0.5 to half of the position, you need to change this value here where is 0.5. So for example, you need to go to 0.25. Okay, and now this means you will close this order by the half position, 0.25 of the 0.5, and click the button and it is closed, 0.25. Now you have the remaining half position of the 0.5 buy order. Now you have 0.25. This is good if you are trading and you see that there is a problem with the order, the price is going in the different direction and you are losing the money. So you can lower the position to lose less money, and after that later on you can, for example, open a new order with a higher lot size. This is all from this lesson. I hope you have enjoyed. If you like the video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!